Alright, today we got
tomatoes.
Box Car Willie tomatoes, okay? A friend of ours grew these from seeds. He's also one of the deacons at our church, and so I'm going to go ahead and transplant some of these, and I'm also going to give some of these to a friend at work. So I'll go ahead and try that. Now, he told me to plant, I don't know if you guys can see this very well, to plant up to here, put them in the ground up to here, with kind of a little bend and everything, so these little white fibers here will go in there. Now, I don't know a whole lot about tomato plants, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try, okay? Alright, little man, you're going to have to move. Alright, he also mentioned I got to plant them 2 feet apart. So I'm going to be able to put 4 across one side, and I think that's all I'm going to do. Okay, and we'll see how they do. So here we go. Alright, as you can see, it's kind of dry. We're going to...
Where are these small beets?
I don't know. We're going to go ahead and wet all this down when we're done, okay? Alright. So, hold on here.
I like getting my hands dirty.
Oh man likes getting his hands dirty. Okay. So here I got 3 strong looking healthy plants. And we're going to try and, you know, get these separated and then put them in the ground. So, let's see here. Okay. Well, first let me show you what I'm doing, okay? And then you can do the next one. Okay, so gently roll so we don't hurt the roots any. Well, the roots are all together, so I'm trying to... Yeah. Well, because you want... This is 3 separate plants. Alright, so going right up to the knuckle, what I call a knuckle right there, okay? Okay, go ahead and fill that in. Okay. Pat it down a bit. Okay, there's one. Alright. Big ol' hole right about here. Okay, let's go a little deeper.
Okay. Good enough?
That's good enough. I'm going to grab another one of these. It's
next
a single. Okay. Alright, put it down into the knuckle. Make sure it's up straight. Let's see where the knuckle is. Okay, let's go a little deeper. One little scoop out. Okay. Alright, okay now. Oh, gotta hold it in. Okay, little man's gonna dig in. Okay. Oh, we're not digging a canyon here.
Good.
Okay, let's see here. Let's take these here. Uh-oh. We got these 2 here. Alright, I'm trying to gently pull these 2 apart without damaging the roots too much. And if you guys at home think I'm doing something wrong, please put it in the comments below. Okay. Alrighty. Put it in the dirt. There you go. Oh, don't bang it too much. These plants are already under stress as it is. Okay, we got one more to go. Okay. I'm going to do one more. Okay. Yep, that's good enough. Oh, no, don't pack it too hard. Don't pack it too hard. Okay.
My hands are dirt
All
black.
right.
My hands are dirt black.
Okay.
Want me to grab the hose and I'll get the water?
Not yet, no. Alright, well, I tell you what, we're going to go ahead and put all tomatoes in here. Alright? So you dig a hole about here. Now come over here. Here. And here. While I get the plants ready.
Okay. I probably could dig to the bottom if I tried. Oh, is this even dirt?
Alright, and now we have, put this one here.
Okay, it sounds like styrofoam.
I'm not sure how this one's going to do. I think I pulled the roots too hard. But we'll see how that one does.
I broke
This
it.
little bad boy.
I broke it. Why are there so many bugs?
Okay, now what we're going to do is just gently water it.
Oh, there's so many bugs.
Alright guys, well, we went ahead and planted tomatoes. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. We went ahead and planted tomatoes in that raised bed that we built earlier, and now we're going to go ahead and see how they do, okay? It's my first time planting tomatoes like this, so I hope they do well. Haven't had real success in the past, so we'll see how it goes. And little man's getting the hose, so we'll go ahead and get it watered now. Okay guys, we watered the tomatoes. There they are. Okay. So those are going to a friend, but those are the tomatoes. Box Car Willie tomatoes. Alright, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon so that you get notified of our next video. And also learn more about the fate of these tomatoes. Hopefully they'll all be good. In the meantime, we'll see y'all in the next video, and God bless you. Bye-bye.